Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a landscape video of Punta Sur, and it's an amazing park they have at the tip of Isla Mujeres. So if you have a chance, I would highly recommend visiting. It has many iguanas. It has Mayan temples. In addition to that, they have a few restaurants serving ice cream, a bar and restaurant that serves food with an amazing lookout. Oh, there goes the iguana. So if you guys have a chance to visit this, I highly recommend. It's amazing views. The water is so blue, and just before you get to the park, there's also a few options for really nice beaches with white sands. If you guys have a chance, I would definitely recommend.
I learned a lot from that, an awful lot. Maybe because I was laughing while. Yeah, in the height of the States. I love that film. It's so educational, I guess. Funny. They do the rock stuff here as well. I thought that was just a Native American thing.
I just love all of those blue colors in the water. It's so pretty. So this is the ruins of Ixchel Temple, the Mayan goddess of the moon, fertility, and happiness. It was an amazing temple with the ruins. It used to be a lighthouse back in the day for some of the sailors to navigate, and of course the amazing ocean blues surround it. And down past there is a secret beach they have, so you just walk around the pathway around the temple and you have access to the beach. This way? So I was actually with a group of fellow hostel mates at our hostel Nomads. They actually had free tours around the island. So it's a really cool opportunity. If you have a chance to check out Nomads Hostel, I would recommend, because they're right on the beach. They have quite a few different activities for those that choose to stay there. So also you can go and visit for the bar and the restaurant, and sometimes they do have free dinner options. So if you have a chance, check out Nomads. It's about a 20-minute walk from the park, I would say. And in addition to that, you can head into town, and quite a few taxis actually run past the hostel. Right across the ocean is Cancun, so it's a really easy ferry ride of only 20 minutes from Cancun. So if you have the opportunity, you just head north of Cancun to the ferry dock, and it's gonna take you directly to Isla Mujeres. As you can see, this beach is a little rocky, so I wouldn't recommend swimming unless you're a really good swimmer due to the rock. Thank you guys so much for watching my video tour of Punta Sur Park. Thank you guys. Hope you guys subscribe and tune in for the next video. Ciao.